Sobra na. Naiyak na ako.
Kaya rin ang ano pala.
Sabi ko na!
Yay! Happy birthday!
Today is, January 14. Okay, at 10:36 a.m. I don't know where we're heading. Oh, Dada didn't told you. Oh, ang dami naman. Wow. How about you, Andra? What's your wish for me? Wow, be healthy and happy. Thank you, anak. That's it. I expect.
Anong vlog?
1, 2, 3, it's your birthday today. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday, come on, let's go. Happy birthday.
Thank you!
Mo muna tignan kung ano na sa loob. Ikaw? Aling tali. Kaming tali.